咩叫 cameraman 咧？梗係影人哋，唔係影自己㗎啦。
Yeah, that's how we say.
哦，是女生啊！我认识你几年了？为什么你没有跟我讲过啊？你叫
哇，好
他手边的。
有啊。
哦，有吗？我有给你白纸吗？
我们两人去啊。
I know, but can you like?
I don't think I told a lot. But I just told like Kevin and I think maybe.
哦。
张扬的我们没有讲过。Then my 外公 is the other one. So this is my mother's Taiwan. So my wife 60出一点60。Very young only. 好像50多岁。他的照片在他的灵魂的照片就 like very young。他们讲他老婆才多。7个。7个女人的。
你落你小心啊！
OK 哦。